Hi friends. Welcome back to our channel, Everything About Computing. Today we are going to learn how to use command line interface of Linux or Unix in a Windows platform. If you are a developer, programmer or learning the Linux or Unix coding, you not need to load Linux to your system. You can easily run the Linux command in your Windows platform. All Windows 10 version not supported the compatibility of Linux. Windows 1607 and 1703, 64-bit are using the beta version of Linux subsystem. To have stable and full Linux subsystem version must have to use the Windows 1709 or higher. We recommend you must have the latest one, that is 20H1. Now how you know which version you are using? To know that, press the Windows and the R button on keyboard, it will open the run interface. Type the command winver and hit the enter or click on OK button. It will show you which version you are using. In our case you can clearly see we are using 20H1 or 2004 version. Now the procedure. First open the control panel. Then click on Program. Then click on Program and Features. Then click on Windows Features on or off on the left upper side of the window. Here you can see the inbuilt features of the Windows. Some are installed, some not. Now navigate to the Windows subsystem for Linux and select it to install the features. Then click OK. It will automatically start to add the feature to your system and configure itself. At this time don't forget to connect the system with internet, because Windows may download some update file from the internet. You must restart the system to complete the procedure. It's updating and restarting. After update we are logged into the system. Complete the remaining. Now open the command prompt with administrative rights. I am enlarging the font of the command prompt so you can see the command we use. Now it is better for viewing. Now type the command bash and hit the enter. Here you can see no distribution is installed. You have to download it from the following link, but we prefer it's better to download from Microsoft Store. To do so I am opening the Microsoft Store. You have to search here with the keyword Linux. Here you can find here 7 to 8 type of Linux like Ubuntu, Kali etc. You can download any one of it. We are downloading the Ubuntu. Click on the Get button. You may log on to your Microsoft account or click No Thanks button to skip the login. Now click on Install button. It will download and install the Ubuntu on your system. This download is around 450 megabits. Download time depend on your network speed. Download is started. Download time depending on your network speed. There is no need to run any setup. The installer will download it and installed automatically. Download time depending on your network speed. There is no need to run any setup. The installer will download it and installed automatically. It's almost done. It's almost done. You can pin the newly installed Ubuntu to your Start menu, by select Pin to Start. Now go to Start menu and click on Ubuntu to run the Linux terminal. For only the first time, it will configure and install the core system by itself. We are enlarging the font size for your convenience. It will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to complete the process. It will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to complete the process. It will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to complete the process. So please keep patience to complete the process. It's almost done. Firstly, it will asking for the username. For showing you we use the same username as Windows, but it will not accept it, so you have to assign a new username apart from the Windows username, and you have to type the password twice, but on screen you can't see any password is typing or not. Here we use the username Linux_work. And as I say previously, password not appear on screen and you have to type that twice. After entering the password second time, the system will configure itself, and lastly you found the Linux or Unix command line interface. The process is completed. Now you can see, here I am creating a text file from Windows and access it from the Unix command line interface. This Linux subsystem is more powerful than the accessing the Windows files. Also we can use all commands of Unix or Linux. We will discuss in our next video. To get the latest video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also give us feedback on comments section.